Aloha. In this video, we're going to finish up assignment 6, and this is the campus cuisine assignment. And we are creating some triggers here to enforce some constraints that we've placed on this database. So so the last part here, this place cuisines trigger. It's a trigger where if ever you try to update the place cuisines table, then it makes sure that you're not changing a place to a cuisine that would violate the constraint that a campus can only have one favorite place for any particular cuisine. So a good example to think about is let's take Himalayan kitchen here. If we look at place cuisines for Himalayan kitchen, we see that Himalayan kitchen is Nepalese, and Himalayan kitchen also happens to be the favorite Nepalese place for more than one campus. Also notice that we've got burger places here: Teddy's Bigger Burgers, Island Burgers, Manoa Marketplace, Big City Diner, Waialae, and so on. So if we look at campus places, we see that KCC has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place, and UHM has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place, and KCC also has Big City Diner as a favorite place. That would be a burger place. UHM has Teddy's Bigger Burgers as a favorite burger place. So if the folks at Himalayan Kitchen were to come along and say, we don't like making Nepalese food anymore, we want to make burgers, so they want to change their cuisine to burgers. Let's say they're going to make a Nepalese version of a burger or something. That would be a problem, because if Himalayan Kitchen were to change to a burger place, then if we look back at campus places, we see that KCC has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place, but if it turns into a burger place, then it's going to conflict with Big City Diner, Waialae, because that's also a burger place. If Himalayan Kitchen changes to a burger place, then KCC will have two burger places, which violates our constraint of one cuisine type per campus. It would also violate the same constraint for UH Manoa, because UH Manoa already has what's listed here as a favorite burgers place. So if Himalayan Kitchen were also to turn into a burgers place, and then it would violate that constraint. So our trigger in campus in place cuisines has got a check to make sure that if a particular place wants to change its cuisine, it's got to look at all the other campuses and to see if that would violate a constraint. And if it would, it's got to keep the update from happening. So let's take a look at how we would do that. Place cuisines trigger. And so if we look over here at the instructions, we're going to build a before update trigger called place cuisines validator. So let's do that. I'll copy this over here. Let's do a new trigger, add a trigger. We're on place cuisines, add a trigger, and it's going to be called this. Gotta make sure there's no spaces in the name. It's for place cuisines. It is a before update trigger. And let's just start this out. Begin and go to make sure that, okay, so we've got something started here. Okay, so the first thing, let's, I'm gonna pop open another thing there. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to see if there are any let's see, there's going to be as inputs, there's going to be a new place and a new cuisine. And the statement, the SQL statement, is going to be to update this place with this new cuisine. So if we take the case of Himalayan kitchen, and we want to change Himalayan kitchen to a burger's place, we first want to figure out all of the places that, let's do an SQL statement here. Select all the campuses in campus places where the place equals Himalayan kitchen. Okay, and what is this? From. Let's get this right, dude. Okay, from. So these are all the campuses in campus places that have Himalayan kitchen as a place. Okay, great. Now, what about the places that have, what about the campuses that have burgers? Let's see. So all right. So knowing that, we also know that we can select. Let's select all of the places. Let's select everything from campus, places, natural, join, place, cuisines. Okay. Where campus is in this. All right, so this is going to be all of the campus places. And this is going to give us all of the campus places along with their cuisines. So let me, first of all, let's just take this out of here. I'll confirm that with you. This is going to give us all of the campus places along with their cuisines in the database. From. Keep forgetting that from. So these are all the places, these are all the campus places along with their cuisines. Okay, so from that, we only want the campuses that have Himalayan kitchen. So we want to select all the places campus places that have, for all the campuses that have Himalayan kitchen as a place. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so these are all the places that have campuses that have Himalayan kitchen as a favored place. And there's only two campuses. UHWO does not have Himalayan kitchen as a favorite anything. It doesn't have Himalayan kitchen as a favorite place. KCC has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place, and UH Manoa has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place. So the two campuses that we're talking about are KCC and UHM, and these are all the places at KCC and UHM. So these are all the places. These are all the places that are on campuses that have Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place. Let's and that with all of the places of all the places that are burger places, where cuisine equals burgers and campuses in that. So we want to look at those two campuses, and we want to find out if there's any burger places on those campuses, because we want to change Himalayan Kitchen to a burger place. And if these campuses that have Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place already have a burgers place, then that's a problem. So let's see what this looks like. And lo and behold, we've got KCC, which you know has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place, has Big City Diner Waialae as a burgers place, and UHM, which you know has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place, already has Teddy's Bigger Burgers as the favorite burgers place. So if we try to change Himalayan Kitchen, then it's going to cause problems because of these two places. So what we want to do is we want to use this statement to flag the error. So let's let's go back to here, and we're putting something in here. Let's okay, let's go back here for a second. So really, what we want is one of the places, and then so we're actually gonna we found that there's going to be an error, and we want to pass back a message with more information that says, "Oh, no, sorry, you can't do it." We want to give the user a little bit more information. So let's do this. Let's edit this, and let's say select a single place from this place, and let's just select one of them. So I'm going to put a limit of 1 on here. Okay, so what does this look like? Boom, boom. Okay, Big City Diner. Big City Diner is a place that causes a problem. Happens to be a place that happens to be because KCC has Big City Diner as a burgers place, and KCC also has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place. And so if we change Himalayan Kitchen to a burgers place, we have the conflict. Okay, so with this information, we're gonna grab out the place, and then we're gonna pass back the error message saying, "Sorry, Big City Diner Waialae is already a burgers place that's at KCC, which has Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place." So let's try to use that. So I'm gonna set a place. Call it place 1 equals this. What is in there? I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Put this down here a little bit, and I'm going to put something inside there. And what am I going to put in there? Let's go back here. I'm going to grab this thing. Copy. And I'm going to go back here. I'm going to paste it right here if I can. Yeah. And I want this to be select place. Let's generalize this now from where cuisine equals not, it's going to be new cuisine. From campus in, no, this is going to be new place. So they're actually parameters. Okay, from that, I'm going to do this. I'll do nice right here. Put this down here. Okay, so we're selecting a place from the database of places. We're going to select a place from the database of all the places, along with their cuisines, place, cuisine, campus, where the cuisine, we're selecting out of this set here, we're going to select a place where the cuisine is equal to the new cuisine, that would be burgers in our example, and the campus is in the set of campuses that have Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place. And we're going to limit it to one of them. All right. Now, if this comes back null, if place is null, then there's no problem. If it's not null, then there's a problem. So let's do is not null, then we have a problem. So let's, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab out that campus. I was only able to grab out one value here, and I actually want the campus also because I want to make the error message a little bit more informative. So I'm going to grab out the campus. I'm going to call it campus1 equals, and I'm going to select the campus from campus places where the place is equal to this place 1 here, the one I just grabbed out, and the campus is in this bunch of campuses here. Campus, select campus from campus places where place equals new place. And limit 1. All right. So this is going to select the campus. Let's see. I'm going to figure out, can I? So this selects the place, and we're talking about Himalayan Kitchen. No, place. I'm sorry. Place 1 is, in the case of KCC, is Big City Diner Wildlife. In the case of UH Manoa, that would be Teddy's Bigger Burgers. So what we're doing here is we're selecting a campus that has both Himalayan Kitchen, that has both Himalayan Kitchen and Big City Diner Wildlife. So place 1 is either going to be Big City Diner Wildlife or it's going to be Teddy's Bigger Burgers. So this selects the campus that's got Big City Diner Wildlife, if that was the one that came out of here, and has Himalayan Kitchen. So this is the set of campuses that have Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place, and this is a campus, and then this is a campus out of campus places that has Big City Diner Wildlife as a place. So this is going to return KCC when this is Big City Diner Wildlife, and it's going to return UH Manoa if this is Teddy's Bigger Burgers. And this is what's going to limit it to the campuses that have Himalayan Kitchen as a favorite place, because those are the ones that we're concerned about. Anyway, so we've got the campus, we've got the place, and now we can make a nice error message. So I'm going to say set a message called MSG equal to concat new place. This is Himalayan Kitchen is a favorite at KCC Campus 1, and KCC already has Big City Diner, Wiley, as its favorite burgers place. So that's our error message, and so let's throw the exception. $45,000 set the error message text equal to this error message we just created. And if, and I think that should do it. So we first see if there is a place on a campus that has both the place we want to update and also has a place that is already the new cuisine that we want to set the place to. And if there is such a place, we do this to grab back out what that campus was, and then we create this nice error message that has the new place. It's got the place that conflicts, as the reminds the user of the cuisine that you're trying to change it to, and gives the user back that information, throws the exception, and aborts the update. All right, so let's go. Oh, let's see, what did I do? There's something is missing. It's usually starts with set message text. Okay, so that's probably, what is this? That's probably it. Yes, okay. So let's go over here, and I've got signed in as Joe Schmo, and let's click on this check here, and we see we got all the points. So what we do here to test it is first we throw in a couple of bogus campuses, then we throw in 3 bogus cuisines, and then we for both of these campuses, then we have 2 places. We have this first place called Place Cuisine 1x, 2x, 3, and we're going to set that as a Cuisine 1. And then we have the second place called Place Cuisine 2, and we're going to set that as a Cuisine 2 type place. And then we're going to assign in campus places, we're going to assign to both Campus A and Campus B, we're going to assign both Place Cuisine 1x, 2x, 3 as the favorite place of both campuses, and Place Cuisine 2 as the favorite place of both campuses. So both of these campuses have 1x, 2x, 3 as its favorite Cuisine 1 place, and they both have this Place Cuisine 2 as its favored Cuisine 2 place. So the first thing we try to do is we try to change the cuisine of Place Cuisine 1x, 2x, 3. We try to change that to Cuisine 2. which obviously shouldn't work because both places already have a cuisine too. And so we try to do it, and it passes because it did it gave us back the correct response, which was it aborts the update, and it says the cuisine did not update, and the error message here, which you saw that we created there, says place 1 x2 x3 is a favorite at campus A, and campus A already has place cuisine 2 as its favorite cuisine 2 place. So that passed it because it rejected the update, and then it's going to go and it's going to try to do an update that should work, and that is, you notice there's no campus that has a cuisine 3 type cuisine, so we are able to change. We're able to change place cuisine 1 x2 x3. We're able to change that from cuisine 1 to cuisine 3. See, so we updated to cuisine 3, and it updated successfully, and we read it back again. We want to read out of place cuisines what the cuisine is for place cuisine 1 x2 x3, and we see that it returned it correctly. That would be like if, let's say, the owners of Himalayan Kitchen came along and said, you know, we want to generalize our place a little bit. Some people don't know that Nepalese here in Hawaii, maybe they're thinking Indian food, Nepalese food, same thing to us folks here in Hawaii. So let's change the name of our place to an Indian place. Let's say we're an Indian cuisine. And you look, so what we would do is we would first add into cuisines, we'd add in Indian, and I think I might have done that earlier. Here we have an Indian. So Indian is a valid cuisine type. There are no places that are right now designated as Indian. So if we were to change Himalayan Kitchen to Indian, it should be fine, and it doesn't run into any problems with any other place at any of the campuses because there aren't any Indian places yet. So that would be a case where it would be a valid thing to change the cuisine of a place. Anyway, so we're finished with part 3, and hope this helps. Thanks for watching.